In this session, we will use the keynotes we created in the last session to populate the keynote parameters in our Revit families. Although you can set family keynote parameters directly from Revit, it is much more efficient to set them through the eSpecs keynoting dialog, since you can set keynote parameters in multiple families at the same time. To set keynote parameters, click the Assign eSpecs Keynotes button in the eSpecs console palette. The Filter dialog displays to allow you to filter to only family types you're interested in. Choose from the categories in any tab you need, and click OK. On the top left, you see all families contained in the current model, and below that, you see all materials being used in the model. You can set keynotes for either families or materials. A keynote can be contained by more than one element. To repair the error, select the correct keynote from the list on the right and double-click the assembly, or you can drag and drop a new keynote from right-hand keynote list. You can repair any red materials in the same way. To list only materials being used within system families, select that option above the materials listings on the left. If you need a keynote or annotation you don't see in the list, create one or copy one with buttons at the top. If you see a note you don't want used, you can remove it. All of these changes are going to be synchronized back to the eSpecs keynote list whenever the project is opened in the eSpecs for Revit editing application. Remember to point the Revit model to the correct keynote file in the Revit keynote settings. Once you click Apply, all the families and materials you set with keynotes will automatically be updated with the latest keynoting parameters filled in and ready for applying to drawing sheets. In the next section, we will review the reporting features of the eSpecs Revit console plugin.